Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
I'm here in the Kunda Taluk, which is about 30 kilometers from Ooty, which is in the Nilgiri district, known for its tea plantations. By end of June and early July, the administration managed to completely vaccinate the tea plantation workers with the first dose of the COVID vaccine. We found out how they undertook this task and what were their challenges along the way.
In Nilgiris, almost 100% of the population working in tea plantation sector have received their first dose of Covishield. The vaccination drive was carried out by the support of the district administration. Sanjeet Nair, who is the secretary of UPASI, which is the United Planters Association of Southern India, said that the entire sector was taken as one whole sector to be vaccinated on priority.
So as I was mentioning, if you look at the plantation sector, during the first wave, the plantation sector was the first to start its operation because it was an essential commodity and agricultural activity. And another major reason, if you look at the plantation, the social distancing can be best maintained in plantation sector because the vastness of the field in which the people work. So that was an advantage as far as the plantation sector was concerned. But when it came to the second wave, we had cases in some of the areas. And what really happened is that the plantation sector has facilitated this vaccination drive, which was also supported by the local district administration, that really saw that there was no much cases as far as the plantation sector is concerned.
So was it the individual tea estate owners who did the vaccination?
They also facilitated this vaccination drive with the support of the district administration. Sure. So in the case of Nilgiris, if you look at, and the entire plantation was taken as a particular sector to be vaccinated with given priority, and almost the 100% vaccination was done.
According to Nair, initially there was some vaccine hesitancy.
No, by and large, the workers, initial there was some reluctance, but after that, the workers came forward, and in fact, there were good response to the vaccination. There was reluctancy because there were a lot of different news items were coming in and other thing. But within a few days, the realization when the cases were also slightly increasing in some of the plantation district, they realized the importance and they came forward, voluntarily came forward.
Tea plantation workers who received their vaccination in early July said that they weren't scared.
நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. ரெண்டாவது நாள் மட்டும் தாங்க கை காலில் அப்படியே குறைச்சல் மாதிரி காய்ச்சல் மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஊசி போட போகிற அன்றைக்கி இல்லைங்க, ரெண்டாவது நாள்
அன்றைக்கி நைட்டு மட்டும்தான் இருந்தது, மறுநாள் சரியாயிடுச்சு.
2-3 நாள் அப்படி இருந்துச்சு. கஷ்டம் தாங்க, எங்கேயும் இப்போ டவுனுக்குலாம் போக முடியாது, அதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக தான் இருந்துச்சு. சாப்பாடு எல்லாமே.
In the Nilgiris district, the administration has also inoculated the first dose of Covishield to all the tribal groups in the area. Collector J.N.S. Divya said that around 68% of the population in the Nilgiris are inoculated. For the working age group, that is 18 to 45, the administration has almost covered 90% of the population. The administration made workers at all the establishments such as factories, tea estates, shops, everyone got vaccinated. Around 38,000 tea workers in the district have also gotten vaccinated with the first dose of Covishield. With Manisha Mondal, this is Revati Krishnan reporting for The Print from Ooty.